Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about how to change Facebook profile picture without posting. Open your Facebook app. First, you need to tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Then you can find this camera icon in here. So tap on it. Now you have to click on this select photo option to select a photo for your Facebook profile. Next, you need to click on this save button in the top right corner. So refresh your profile now and then you can see your profile picture in here. Now you need to click on these three lines in the top right corner of that post and you need to go to edit privacy option. Now you need to select only me option in here. So hope this video is helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.